Making Words, Lesson 11. Materials needed: whiteboard, whiteboard marker, eraser, wipe, booklet, and a pencil. Directions: do all parts of the video. Do not skip ahead. Do not use the closed captioning. Challenge yourself to segment and spell before Miss Heller does. Part 1, Making Words. Okay, Lesson 11. Today we only have one vowel, and that is the vowel I like igloo. And our consonants are H, K, N, S, and T. Today we're going to be reviewing the sound that the T and the H make. They make the sound. That will be important for our secret word later on. Okay, the first word that we're going to spell is the word in. Get ready to segment. In. I, N. Change one letter to make the word it. It. I-T. We're going to add one letter to make the word hit. Get ready to segment. It. Hit. Add the H. It. Hit. Then we're going to make the word sit. Get ready to segment. It. Sit. The end of the word is the same from the vowel through the end of the word, so I know that I only need to change the beginning letter to an S, S-I-T. Now we're going to make the word kit. Get ready to segment. It. Kit. Change the S to a K. Because I see up here I only have a K as an option. There is no C, even though they can make the same sound. K-I-T. I'm going to take and erase this word, because the next word I'm going to make is the word ink. Get ready to segment. Ink. Ink. I-N-K. This is a common ending for some words. Ink. N-K. Now I'm going to add one letter to make the word sink. Get ready to segment. S-I-N-K. Sink. Add that letter S to the beginning of the word sink. S-I-N-K. I'm going to take these same four letters in the word sink, and I'm going to rearrange them to make the word skin. Skin. Okay? I hear that it starts with the letter S, so I'm going to leave that at the beginning. I hear the K, I-N, S-K-I-N. The next word that we're going to make is the word thin. Thin. I notice that's the same sound that I said we were going to be reviewing, and it's spelled T-H. So I'm going to take off the S-K, and I'm going to add the T-H to make the word thin. F-I-N. T-H-I-N. For my next word, I'm going to take the same four letters in the word thin, and I'm going to rearrange them to make the word hint. Get ready to segment. I-N-T. Hint. Starts with the H sound. I-N-T. Hint. Okay. The next word that we're going to make is a 5-letter word. It's the word stink. Stink. I hear the word ink at the end, I-N-K. So now I just have to figure out the beginning sound. St. St. Spelled S-T. S-T-I-N-K. Our next word is the word think. Think. Okay, it starts with the sound, which I know is spelled T-H. So I'm going to add that. I-N-K. I-N-K. Alright, we have 5 letters but 3 sounds, because when these 2 letters get together they make one sound. These 2 letters make a sound. I-N-K. Okay? And our secret word is very similar to this, so for lesson 11, I'm going to give it to you. We've already used almost all the letters. The only thing that we have left is the letter S. So our secret word is thinks. Thinks. All right, you're done with part 1. You may now get out your workbook to get ready for part 2. All right, part 2 in our workbook, lesson 11. Just one vowel today, I like igloo, with the consonants H, K, N, S, and T. Our secret word was thinks. All right, get ready to copy down the words that we made in part 1. Number 1 was in, I-N. Then we made the word it, I-T. Added one letter to make the word hit. Changed the first letter to make the word sit. Changed the first letter again to make the word kit, K-I-T. Then we made the word ink, I-N-K. Added one letter to make the word sink, S-I-N-K. We rearranged the 4 letters in the word sink to make the word skin, S-K-I-N. Then we changed the first 2 letters in the word skin to make the word thin, T-H-I-N. Then we rearranged the letters in the word thin to make the word hint, H-I-N-T. Then we made the word stink, S-T-I-N-K, stink. Then we made the word think, T-H-I-N-K. And it was followed by the secret word thinks. Okay. Now we're going to move down to the part where we actually sort the words by their spelling pattern. Remember that rhyming means the words sound the same at the end of the word, and it goes from the vowel through the end of the word. All right, your categories. There will be 3 categories today, 3 columns to sort. Ink, I-N-K, in, I-N, and sit, S-I-T. So the words are going to rhyme with ink from the I through the end of the word, in from the I through the end of the word, and sit from the I through the end of the word. Okay, I'm going to check those ones off because we've already used them. Make sure you do the same. Right now I'd like you to put a box around number 2 up above. That's your secret instruction for this lesson. Now you're going to go ahead and sort the words into one of these 3 categories. If it doesn't fit into one of those 3 categories, you'll put that word down here in the box below. You may now pause the video in order to sort the words. Okay, so just like in lesson 10, I will not be doing this part for you on the video. Instead, I will check that when I check your workbook. So I hope by now you have sorted all of your words into one of these 3 categories or into this box below. Remember, you should have checked off the words as you use them. All right, now it's time for your spelling test, part 3. All right, number 1, pink. My daughter's favorite color is pink. Pink. Number 2, chin. Timothy rested his chin on his hands. Chin. Number 3, drink. What will you drink with your lunch? Drink. And number 4, spit. It's considered rude to spit in front of people. Spit. So again, number 1 was pink. Number 2, chin. Number 3, drink. Number 4, spit. That is the end of lesson 11.